Is India seriously considering buying the Russian fifth-generation Su57 fighter jet? According to this report on CNBC TV18, the Indian government is actively considering Russia's offer of Su57 manufacturing in India with full technology transfer. This could also help India gain critical knowledge of building advanced stealth fighter jet engines, a development which can also boost the AMCA program for India's own fifth-generation fighter jet. The Russian government has proposed to collaborate on manufacturing the Su57 fighters in India, and they are even prepared to offer the source code, which means India can integrate its own tech, including ASR radars and made-in-India missiles. Though the report clarifies that no formal decision has been taken yet, as the focus first remains on getting the AMCA project up and running.
Our intent, of course, will have to be to acquire critical technologies.
The Indian government recently announced a new model for AMCA stealth fighter program and is open for collaboration with private defense companies. A Su57 manufacturing program in parallel can help boost the AMCA project and set up a robust fighter jet manufacturing ecosystem in India, which is self-sustainable and does not rely on foreign supply chains or geopolitical unrest. According to latest information, the offer made by Russia includes both direct off-the-shelf purchase as well as licensed production and manufacturing in India. The proposal named Hindustan Aeronautics Limited facility near Nasik to be potential candidate in manufacturing the jets, as this facility has the distinctive experience of producing 220 Sukhoi 30 MKI fighters for the Indian Air Force in the past. As per the report, Ministry of Defense and Indian Air Force officials are expected to go through the Russian proposal thoroughly in the next few weeks. Russian ambassador to India, Denis Alipov, also talked about the Su57 and termed it the best combat aircraft.
We're offering our own fifth-generation fighter. We have.
He added, quote, "We are offering our fifth-generation fighter. We have the best machine, the Su57. We just showed it and displayed it at Aero India in Bangalore, and it performed. And stole the show. It is very competitive. We are offering not only to sell but to co-produce. We offer technology sharing. We offer, industry with the creation of necessary industrial facilities for the production lines. We are open to configuration changes. So it is a very lucrative deal that we offer to India," unquote. But the priority very much remains the indigenous AMCA, though it still is a decade away. Chairman of DRDO, Dr. Samir V. Kamath, stated, quote, "If you look at any program anywhere in the world, it takes 10 to 15 years to develop a new platform. So we started this journey in 2024 when the CCS sanctioned the project, so it will take 10 years, and we have committed to deliver the platform by 2035, unquote. India is witnessing record number of global requests to be associated with Indian defense programs, either for co-manufacturing or off-the-shelf purchase. Earlier this year, US President Donald Trump himself, in a joint press conference with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, mentioned the US is willing to sell its F-35 stealth fighter jets to India.
Provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters.
He even hinted at boosting the India-US defense alliance, stating, quote, "Starting this year, we'll be increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars," unquote. Some of the unique F-35 technologies include being invisible to conventional radar, helmet-mounted display system, data connectivity, and vertical takeoff and landing. However, the Americans are highly unlikely to share the source code, which means Indian systems are unlikely to be integrated into it. With Pakistan gearing up to receive China's J-35 stealth jets by 2026, India now has two major foreign proposals that will modernize its air fighter fleet. One is Russia's Su-57 and the other American F-35. Defense commentators suggest Russia's Sukhoi 57 is a practical and better choice for India given the level of tech sharing that Putin is willing to offer India. Another advantage is familiarity with Russian systems with the same assembly line for the Su-30 MKI jets that can be used for the Su-57. On top of that, Sukhoi 57 E-jets are much more affordable than the American F-35s. With an advanced radar system, Su-57 also has internal weapons bays. It is also designed to deflect radar waves and has the capability to sustain supersonic flight without afterburners. Its stealth features and weaponry are optimized for air superiority and precision strike missions behind enemy lines. However, Su-57 lacks in one aspect, which is real-world combat experience. As reports suggest, Russia has used it for long-range deep strikes in Ukraine, but not directly over Ukrainian airspace. The F-35, on the other hand, has been used by Israelis for multiple missions behind enemy lines from Iran to Syria and Lebanon. But what do you believe? Sukhoi 57 or F-35, which could be better for India? Leave a comment with your opinion, hit the like button and subscribe to Inconnect News.